Hello our dear subscribers and channel guests. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so as not to miss our updates. If it's not difficult for you to put your finger on the top, we will be very pleased. Thanks in advance. Now let's talk about cross liftback Citroen C5 X 2020. 2021 prices and specifications. Technical data C5 X and overview. Citroen C5 X is a front-wheel drive cross liftback mid-size class, ACA D segment by European standards, and, concurrently, the flagship of the French automakers lineup, which is a mixture of a sedan, station wagon and crossover. The second, spaciousness, and with the third solid ground clearance. The world premiere of the third-generation Citroen C5 X took place on April 12, 2021 during a special event held in a virtual format. After the reincarnation, the car not only changed radically, but completely changed its image. Since it did not appear as a classic sedan or a station wagon, it became a 5-door liftback with all-terrain inclinations. From the outside, the front view of the 5-door flaunts 2-story lighting equipment, a narrow radiator grille and a raised bumper, which join together to form an X-shaped composition, and on its stern flaunting V-lanterns, an impressive trunk lit and fake exhaust pipes flaunt. The liftback has a pronounced 2-volume profile, with a long hood, a sloping roof that turns into a small tail of the luggage compartment, intricate plastic sidewalls with complex transitions and solid wheel arches. Well, a bit of solidity in the look of the car is extolled by a decent ground clearance and a body kit made of unpainted plastic along the lower edge of the body. This is a representative of the D segment by European standards with the corresponding dimensions. In length it is 4805 mm, and in width and height it reaches 1865 mm and 1485 mm, respectively. The distance between the wheelsets at the 5-door is 2785 mm. The interior of the Citroen C5 X looks beautiful, stylish, progressive and quite thoroughbred, an intricate multifunction steering wheel with a 3-spoke rim flattened at the top and bottom, a fully digital instrument cluster with a 7-inch display, and a presentable center console crowned with a protruding frameless touchscreen with a diagonal of 10 or 12 inches in classic block of microclimate with 3 neat twists. The cross liftback has a 5-seater salon, and the inhabitants of the gallery are promised a generous supply of free space. At the front there are ergonomic chairs with widely spaced side support bolsters, a large number of adjustments and heating, and optionally with ventilation and a massager. On the second row there is a comfortable sofa, an almost flat floor and such amenities as a folding armrest with practicality. The Citroen C5 X has no problems. The trunk of the car not only has the correct shape and 545-liter volume, but also boasts high quality finishing and various devices for securing cargo. The back of the second row folds in 2 unequal sections into a completely flat surface, due to which the potential of the hold reaches 1640 liters. Specifications. Several petrol and 1 hybrid modifications have been announced for Citroen C5 X. According to preliminary data, the cross liftback will receive gasoline engines of the PureTech series with turbocharging, direct injection and phase shifters on both camshafts. The junior version is a 1.2-liter 3, generating 130 horsepower, and senior 4-cylinder unit with a working volume of 1.6 liters, which develops 180 horsepower. Transmission automatic with 8 gears, the drive type is exclusive. At the top of the power range is a plug-in hybrid with a 1.6-liter petrol engine, electric motor, 8-band automatic transmission and a lithium-ion battery, producing 225 horsepower in total. Such a car can move on pure electric traction, accelerating at the same time up to 135 km/h and overcoming up to 50 km on a single charge. Design features. At the heart of the Citroen C5 X is the EMP2 modular platform with a transverse engine placement and a monocoque body made with abundant use of high-strength steel grades. An independent McPherson-type suspension is installed on the front axle of the car, and a semi-independent system with a torsion beam or an independent multi-link is installed on the rear axle. By default, the 5-door is equipped with a progressive hydraulic cushion spring chassis with passive shock absorbers equipped with additional hydraulic travel stops, the stiffness of which changes preventively, and 3 modes of operation. The cross liftback has in its arsenal a rack and pinion steering mechanism with an active electric control amplifier. The machine is equipped with disc brakes, ventilated at the front, working with ABS, EBD and other modern technologies. Options and price is the full scale debut of the third-generation Citroen C5 X will take place at the end of April 2021 at the Beijing International Auto Show, after which it will go on sale in the Chinese market. The 5-door will reach Europe in the second half of the year at a price of €31,000, and with the Made in China brand, production will be carried out at the facilities of the Dongfeng Citroen JV, and in the future it is possible that it will appear on the Russian market. For the cross liftback, a rich set of options is declared: front and side airbags, 19-inch wheels, panoramic full LED optics, adaptive cruise control, all-round cameras, dual-zone climate control, projection display, monitoring of lane movement, monitoring of blind spots, heating of both road